Hey Math Maniacs, Vanessa here. I'm here to show you a subtraction game. We realize we've been focusing a lot on addition and a bit of multiplication. We now would like to show you a subtraction game that you can play with your students. It also involves some place value and things like that. It's super fun and like most of our games, super easy and low prep or no prep. So you need 3 dice, a whiteboard marker, or a piece of paper. You can either choose to use 6-sided dice, or if you happen to have 9-sided dice handy, those work great as well. Okay, so I'll demonstrate the game first and then of course talk about a couple of ways that you might want to modify this game for your learners. So the object of the game is to be, as I said, to get down to a score of 0. Because I'm doing it as an individual challenge, we'll just see how many rounds it takes me. Each round you get to decide how many dice you roll. 1 dice, 2 dice, or 3 dice. Okay, and what you will do is roll the 3 dice. Okay, you get to arrange them in any order you want. So, that's a 9. I'm gonna make the number 970, and I'm gonna subtract that from 1,000. So I've got 0. Oh, 0 take away 7. I can't do that. So I'm gonna have to come over here. Oh my goodness. Okay, that's 0 too. So I'm gonna come here, make this a 0, make this a 9, and make this a 10. So 10 minus 7 will be 3, and 9 minus 9 is 0. So I now am down to a score of 30. So obviously I'm going to get rid of one of my dice. I don't need to roll in the hundreds anymore. I'm going to roll 2 dice. All right. Oh my goodness. Okay, I rolled the number 59. It's greater than what I have, so I missed my turn. So that's going to just count as a second round. So maybe up here. So I had 1 roll, 2 rolls. I'm going to risk, no. I'm going to just roll 1 die now. 9. So 30 minus 9. Oh, that's like 10 would be 21 more. That would be 21. So that would be my 3rd turn. Oh, another 9. Wow. All right, my 4th turn. 21 minus 9 would be 12. Minus 7. So that's 5 turns. 12 minus 7 would be 5. All right, now you can either play that you have to get exactly 0, or you have to just get like, for example, 3. So I'm now going to do 5 minus 3 will give me 2. So we could do it that I either have to roll exactly a 2, or as long as I roll anything 2 or greater, I would win the game. So let's see. 0 will give me 2. So I'm at 7 turns now. Oh my goodness, 3 is too, 3 is too much, so that's good. So if I'm playing the version that anything greater than 2, I would have won the game, and I would have won it in 8 rolls. So if you're playing it with a partner, it would be the exact same except for that you'd have 1 turn, they'd have a turn. You'd have a turn, they'd have a turn, and whoever got to 0 first would technically be the winner. Okay, so just a couple of ways that you can modify this game. Obviously, you can change the starting number, right? So generally at grade 3, we start about 1,000, but if we haven't yet done a lot of work with subtraction across 0, or the students are not overly confident in it, you can easily change it to that you're starting with 999. If you're teaching, say, grade 5 or grade 6, maybe you're going to the 10,000s, and maybe they're using 4 dice or 5 dice. All right. And one other way is, depending if you have, I happen to have a little bit of a dice addiction. I've got most of my dice from boxcars and Wide Jacks. Once again, we are not a paid endorsement with them. However, we are big fans of them. They have definitely helped us learn many different games and get some great resources. So these are place value dice. So instead of having the kids have the option of moving around, if you want to kind of change the dynamics of the game a bit, you can have them roll. I've got here a 100s dice, a 10s dice, and a 1s dice. And now I've got the specific number I have to put in order, so we have 663. And then you're playing that way. So several ways that you can modify it. We're sure you guys will think of your own way to make this game your own. As always, comment. Let us know what you're doing, what you think of this game, how you're using it in your classroom. We love to hear from our Math Maniac community. Thank you so much, you guys. It's Vanessa signing off. And remember, as always, COVID sucks. Math doesn't.
Is awesome!